Expert bathroom remodeling services in Goshen, Utah. For homeowners in Goshen, Utah, looking for expert bathroom remodeling, EagleRidge Utah is the trusted choice for top-tier craftsmanship and lasting value. Whether you want a modern update or a complete transformation, we offer solutions tailored to your needs. Our services include high-quality installations for tubs, showers, sinks, toilets, mirrors, lighting, cabinets, and tile. From demolition to structural modifications, we handle every step of the process with precision and care. We specialize in plumbing and electrical upgrades, waterproofing, ventilation improvements, and drywall repairs. Our expert team also provides flooring installation, painting, and trim work to complete your bathroom's look. For those seeking premium features, we offer heated flooring, smart technology integration, custom cabinetry, and luxury additions like spa tubs, steam rooms, and fireplaces. Every detail is designed to enhance comfort and functionality. If you're in Goshen, Utah, and ready to upgrade your bathroom, call EagleRidge Utah today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate. Let's create a space that blends style, convenience, and durability.